Hi guys, I want to show you how I make egusi soup, the type you see in many expensive restaurants. I'll be using some beef and dried fish for this. I season this with just salt, trust me. You don't need too much seasoning to make a delicious pot of soup. Plus, your body is already begging for a detox. Set on heat and let the meat cook until it is tender and easy to chew. So let's dissolve the egusi, the 4 cups of egusi in cold water. Once that is done, set aside. Add your palm oil to your cooking pot. And we're going to be frying the egusi for the next 10 to 15 minutes. You just want to form those crumbs, so you're not going to be stirring vigorously like that. You want to fry this until you see those crumbs that you find in restaurant grade egusi soups. So once you are done, you add your already cooked and soft tender meat. Stir all together. So finally, I'm going to be using this seasoning cube before my enemies will think I've gone soft. Also, I added some sliced habanero pepper, some crayfish. You can already notice how this soup is coming together deliciously. If you've not subscribed, now is the time. I added ogiri to this soup. You can use dawa or ogbe alternatively. They are all native ingredients and they give your soup that touch of wickedness. Finally, it's time to add the leaves, stir all together, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll be coming up with so many wonderful videos that I'm sure you're going to love. Trust me.